Hello, Mr. Woods. I have some questions about my Woods party reservation.
You could have just called.
Yeah, but I wanted to really make sure that everything was all set.
Alright, how can I help you?
So, what's the limit for the amount of guests I can have at the party?
Sir, it's the woods. You can have as many guests as you want.
Well, would you consider it a party if there was, let's say, one guest?
One doesn't really seem like a party, sir.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna make sure that I got everything all set.
Alright, sir. The woods is yours for as long as you want it. Your check already cleared.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Woods.
He's a weird guy.
This is getting ridiculous. I sent those invitations out so long ago, and no one replied. Nothing from Duncan, Rupert, Grovel, Snarconi, from anybody. I've done so much for them. I always take care of my friends. I bought them all those gifts for Christmas that one time. I can't believe this!
Hey, champ, you seem upset.
Upset? Upset? I am furious! And it's even worse now that you're here, Quin-Z, too.
You know what? I just don't get it, Quin-Z. We've been friends for a long time. We were in those Star Bros videos together. We were actors. Why are you so mad at me?
I'm mad, Quin-Z, too, because everybody says that we're exactly the same. You think we're exactly the same. We're not. We're different. We're different.
I know we're different, Quin-Z. And, I don't like to make a big deal out of things, especially when I know you're upset. But I do want you to know, my name's not Quin-Z 2, right? My name is Quin-C.
Wait, your name is Quin-C? Why didn't you ever tell me?
Why would my name be Quin-Z 2?
I guess you're right. Guess I just never thought to ask.
You're such a good guy, Quin-Z, that I just didn't want to bother you. It was nice to be called Quin-Z 2. It's like you thought that I was your friend, your understudy.
I'm sorry, Quin-Z. I haven't been very nice to you. I haven't been nice to all my friends. I've just been so frustrated. I just really want to have a fun woods party and hang out with everybody. You know what, Quin-Z? Even if nobody else shows up, I would love it if you came with me to my woods party.
Oh, Quin-Z, I would love to go to the woods party. I love it in the woods.
And you know what, Quin-Z? You can help me plan some of the games.
Oh boy, it's been such a long time since I played a good game of pine cone tennis.
Nagglewood.